So we are going to learn how to simplify a fraction. First thing is, if the number in the numerator and denominator, if they are even numbers, then they are divisible by 2. Even numbers are 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Look, the first number in the numerator, that is 4, which is an even number. The second number, look at the last number only. It's an even number, 0. So both are even number, both are divisible by 2. So we will simplify this fraction by 2. So think like this. Where we get 4 in table of 2? 2 2s are 4. Where we get 10 in table of 2? 2 5s are 10. So this is simplified fraction. Look at next question. Both numbers are even number. You will divide by 2. 2 2s are 4 and 2 4s are 8. Again, in this new fraction, both numbers are even numbers. So you will divide by 2. 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. And this is your answer. Look at this question. 6 over 8. So, sorry, 6 over 15. This number is an even number, but this 5 is not an even number, so we will not divide by 2. Now we will consider 3. You know, we get 6 in table of 3, where 3 2s are 6 and 3 5s are 15. If the numbers are not even numbers, then think about 3 or 5. For example, in this question, this 0 is an even number, but this 5 is not an even number, so we cannot divide by 2. Similarly, this 15 is divisible by 3, but this 20 is not divisible by 3. So we cannot divide by 3, and next prime number is the number 5. So for 5, the rule is the last number should be a 0 or a 5. Look at this fraction. This last number is a 5. Okay. This last number is a 0. So rule of 5, we can use it. For this, you will think where we get 15 in table of 5. 5 3s are 15 and 5 4s are 20. Look at next question. First of all, what we are going to do is cancel 0 by 0. You will cancel only 1 0 by 1 0. New fraction will be 2 over 10. Now you can see this is an even number and this 0 is also an even number. So both these numbers are divisible by 2. Where we get 2 in table of 2, 2 1s are 2. Where we get 10 in table of 2, 2 5s are 10. So 1 over 5 is your answer. Now look at this question. Which fraction out of these fractions, find out the fraction which gives us this answer, 1 over 2. Equivalent fractions, right? Let's just start simplifying the fractions. See, this is even number, this is also an even number. Both are divisible by 2, like 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. If you simplify this fraction, this is 1 over 2. So you will circle this one. This is first answer. Now 3 over 7, we cannot simplify. 5 over 9, 5 is a prime number, we cannot simplify. 9 over 18, you know, 9 1s are 9 and 9 2s are 18. 1 over 2. So this is my answer. And where we get 10 and 22, both are divisible by 2, both are even numbers. 2 5s are 10, 2 11s are. But the answer is not 1 by 2, so we cannot circle it. So the answers are 2 over 4 and 3 over and 9 over 18, both are equivalent to 1 over 2, because if you simplify these two fractions, they will give this answer, 1 over 2. So they are equivalent fractions. Can you simplify this one, 6 over 8? Because I told you, if both numbers in numerator and denominator are even numbers, we can simplify by 2. So think like this. Where we get 6 in table of 2, 2 3s are 6. Where we get 8 in table of 2, 2 4s are 8. So this is simplified fraction. Just try to solve this one. Both are even numbers. This is even number. This 4 is also an even number. So we will simplify by using 2. Where we get 8 in table of 2, 2 4s are 8. Where we get 14 in table of 2, 2 7s are 14. This is my answer. Look at this question. Why these two fractions are equivalent or equal? Because if I simplify this first fraction by 2, because both are even numbers, both are simplified, and it is possible to solve it by 2, because 2 3s are 6 and 2 fours are 8. Then you can see both sides are equal. Another method, you can solve like this. 6 over 8 equal to 3 over 4. Now you can think like this. If I multiply both numbers by 2 in this side, we'll get the answer, which is 6 over 8, which is equal to this. Okay, these two are equal. If you simplify one of the fraction, the answer is similar to the other one. That is why both sides are equal. Now write down 3 fractions which are equivalent. To find the equivalent fractions, first multiply the given fraction by 2, second given fraction by 3, then 4. So if I multiply the given fraction by 2, I will get 6 over 16. If I multiply this given fraction by 3, I will get 3 3s are 9 and 8 3s are 24. And if I multiply this given fraction by 4, it will be 12 over 32. These are the 3 equivalent fractions. I hope you got the concept how to simplify a fraction and how to get the equivalent fraction. Just subscribe my channel if you find this video helpful for you. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.